This video shows you how to make your tessellation pattern. I've already made it for you, but I wanted to show you the steps. I started off by just using a compass and ruler to make this tessellation template. So to start off, you're going to measure out your printing plate. This will help you to make sure that you have the correct design measurements, and then make sure that you use the ruler to draw your lines so that you can get them straight. So you're going to find the center of your template, and then you're going to use the compass pointy edge in the center to draw a circle. I measured mine to where it was half of the squares on the side. Then adjust your compass to make it slightly smaller and draw another circle that's concentric to the previous one you drew. So here's where it gets a little tricky. You cut out the template, and then you start to cut it into pieces. So you'll cut it vertically and horizontally, but do the top part first and then the bottom part. That way you don't get your pieces mixed up. So once you've cut them, you want to translate them, which means you're just going to switch the sides on them. So now the circle edges, or the centers of the circle, are now the edges. And you're going to do the same with the bottom portion. And just use a little bit of tape and tape them back together. Now make sure that all of your circle centers are facing the outside edges. That's what makes the tessellation work. And then use a compass to redraw a circle in the center. And this is where your picture design is going to go. Then mark your registration or your alignment points on the edges, because this is going to be a continuous pattern that we can do over and over. So I've chosen to do the Great Wave by Hiroshige, and here's an example of my sketch for it. And then here's where I've added it to my template, which is the step that you're going to be doing now.